Hi, my name is Crystal, and I'm a clinical application specialist with GE Healthcare, and I'm going to demonstrate for you SonoBiometry, one of our 6 measurement efficiency tools available on our Voluson ultrasound systems. One of the things I really love about SonoBiometry is its flexibility. Users can choose which anatomical structures to include in their measurements and can easily edit those measurements as needed. Activating SonoBiometry is simple. Just navigate to Home, System Setup, Measurement Setup, Parameters, Obstetrics, SonoBiometry. From here, you select the measurements you'd like to enable by placing a check mark next to each desired measurement. Make sure to save your selection before you exit. Now that we've covered setup, let's give it a try. For today's demonstration, we'll be measuring fetal head structures. On the screen, I have a clear image of a fetal posterior fossa. To begin, I'll open the measurement package by selecting Calc, then choosing Cerebellum. Notice how precisely the system automatically places the calipers. If needed, I can fine-tune the measurement to my exact preference, another great example of the tool's flexibility. Once the cerebellar measurement is confirmed, the system automatically launches the cisterna magna measurement, saving both time and keystrokes. It's a smooth, efficient workflow that enhances accuracy. If you find SonoBiometry as powerful as I do, check out our website to see how our other measurement efficiency tools like Fetal HS, Sono CNS, and Sono FHR also incorporate AI and automation, enhancing your workflow, helping to make your day a little easier.